Hey guys, myself Atul. Welcome to Code Sickness, and today what we're going to be discussing is the same topic as the Python video. And what we are essentially doing is we are going to be printing the values which, if multiplied, make the number which we have inputted in the first place. So, the main algorithm for this is we compare the value, that is our n, with values from 1 to that number, and if any value, if divided by n, that is if it produces remainder as 0, then we will be printing that value and quotient of that division. So basically what we are going to be doing is we are going to be printing the divisor and the quotient. So if those two are multiplied, we'll get the original number. That's all for the algorithm. And finally, let's just jump right into it. So what we have here is public class rec being the name of the file. In Java you have to match these two, and we have our main function from which the compiler will know from here the execution of the code starts. So I'm going to be making a new variable which is int n. You can take any name as long as it classifies as the right identifier name, and we will assign it a value. Any value we can do it, but in this example I'll do 250. So int n is equal to 250. Now I will make one for loop. It will start with this variable initializing at 1. Then we will want it to be going till 250, that is we will be comparing the values till 250. So 250 I can write, or I can just write n, both are the same. And now finally I need to assign if this value will be incremented or decremented. So initially it is 1, so it will be incremented, so it is I++. Plus plus is post increment, that is once the value has been utilized it will be incremented. So initially it will use the one value in the loop, whatever statements I am going to be writing, and then it will update the value to 2, then 3 to 4 till 250. So now since I have written the for loop, I will write an if statement which is going to be checking if the values remainder, whatever value we are having, if divided with n, if that value is the divisor and n is the dividend, then will the remainder be 0. So for that we use mod, which is modulus, and it will give the remainder value. So I will just write n. The mod is symbolized as percentage, and then we'll put I equals double equals, because we are going to be comparing this with 0 because we want the remainder to be 0. Now we just have to print the values. First the dividend, which is I, and the quotient, which will be the final divided value. What we are going to be doing is we are going to be writing system.out.println. As you all might have gone through our previous videos, this is used to print a value in this console down here, and the values which we'll be printing is I first of all, plus we need some space between I and the value which we'll be printing so that we can see the output clearly. So the second thing, actually string, will be this, so space with comma and space. So this will separate these two values, I and the other value which is our quotient. So it will be n by I. And since usually we want to like explicitly assign it an int value, but since in this case our remainder will be 0 anyway, so we will get a whole number, so we don't have to do it right now. So that's it for today's code, and I will try to run it. And here is the output. All these values, multiply any value and you will get the value. 10 into 25, 250, 125 into 2, 250, 50 into 5, 250. And that's all for today. Share if you liked it, subs if you loved it. See you later.